Philippines President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. will pay a state visit to India from 4th to 8th August at the invitation of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. He will be accompanied by First Lady Madam Luis Araneta Marcos and a high-level delegation including several cabinet ministers and other dignitaries as well as senior officials, in addition to business representatives. President Marcos will also visit Bengaluru before returning to the Philippines. This would be the first visit of President Marcos to India since his assumption of office. During the visit, Prime Minister Modi and President Marcos are scheduled to hold bilateral discussions. This will take place on the 5th of August. My colleague Mehendi Garg with us on the broadcast. Mehendi, another major event as far as India's Act East policy is concerned. The Philippine president is slated to visit India. It's a state visit from the 4th to the 5th of August.
Well, indeed, be an important meeting ahead as Philippines President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. is set to visit India at the invitation of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The Ministry of External Affairs have said in the official statement, and also Pia, the President will be accompanied by First Lady Luis Araneta Marcos, a high-level delegation comprising of different cabinet ministers, senior officials, and several business representatives will also be coming to India. And this marks Pia President Marcos' first official visit to India since assuming office in 2022. And a key highlight of the visit also, Pia, will be his bilateral meeting with Prime Minister Narendra Modi, which is scheduled for 5th August. And President Marcos is all set to meet with President Draupadi Murmu as well, and will be called upon by External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar as well. So as part of his itinerary also, Pia, the President will visit Bengaluru before returning to the Philippines on 8th August as well. And it is to be noted and very important, Pia, here that diplomatic relations between India and the Philippines were established in November 1949. And over the years, also the partnership has expanded significantly, covering a wide range of areas such as trade and investment, defense, security, and other sectors as well. So now the two nations also maintain close collaboration at the regional level, especially through India's comprehensive strategic partnership with Asian countries. So India's ties with the Philippines form a key part of its, Act East policy as well, and in Vision Mahasagar and its broader Indo-Pacific framework as well. So this meet indeed will be very important for both the counterparts to sit together and to have a thorough discussion about the future relationships and the future roadmap of India and Philippines as well.